So just for a frame of reference, you just told me that you go to the gym 7 days a week if you can, and you spend 2 to 3 hours a day there.
Correct.
And how old are you?
Oh, my real age is 90, but birth certificate is 87.
Okay, but you're 90. We won't tell anyone. And you go to the gym 7 days a week, and that's great. I hope when I'm 90, I can go to the gym and do what you do, 2 to 3 hours a day.
Well, you are still young, so don't think about retirement.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to retire ever. What kind of work did you do? What type of work did you do?
Internal medicine, rheumatology.
Oh, okay, so you're a physician
I
then.
have a PhD in immunology, so
Well, why didn't you tell me that when we started so I could have...
I spent all that time in the school that I didn't have time to practice.
Wow. No, but then I didn't have to explain why I'm checking your pulses and asking you questions. Where did you practice?
Right here in Plymouth.
Oh, really? Okay.
I started out in Glenwood Hills
Okay.
until they closed the hospital
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
And I had research lab there.
Okay. What type of research? Immunology?
More immunology.
Okay. What was your area? What were you looking at specifically?
Cancer immunology.
Okay.
And the even something like President Reagan, what's his name?
Well, there was Reagan, then there was Bush, then there was Clinton.
Carter.
Oh, Carter.
Brain
Okay.
from, and they started immunology,
Mm-hmm.
immunotherapy. Well, it's about
In the
They
70s.
use my extract, cancer-specific antigen.
Okay. So you're somebody very famous in the world of immunology. You're like the Stephen Hawking of immunology?
Well, 1972, President Nixon declared war against cancer, and they spent $100 billion in 20 years. They didn't come up with anything. Now back to immunology,
Right.
and I was 50 years ahead of time.
And nobody would listen?
No,
Oh,
too late.
wow. But you created the groundwork for everybody who's doing the work
I
now.
hope so.
Wow. Well, I'm honored to meet you.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
So you lived in Florida for quite a while and then just came back here recently?
Well, I sold my condo 2 years ago, so I don't go anymore.
Okay.
It's getting to be difficult with old age.
Mm-hmm. Well, your nails look great, and I would be happy to do this for you every couple of months.
Okay.
As your doctor in Florida probably told you, it has to be 8 weeks or 60 days in between.
Yeah.
Now, that doesn't mean if there's any problem that you have to wait. That's just for what they consider the routine trimming.
Every 2 months.
Yep.
Okay.
Not everybody needs to come that frequently, but it has to be at least that. Okay. Now, I didn't miss any sore spots or corns or calluses, did I?
I'm sorry.
There's no corns or calluses that I'm not seeing or anything, is there?
Underneath the planter area, can you see any?
No. Everything looks really good.
Oh,
Do you feel something? Do you feel something? 'Cause-
When I walk barefoot, I feel that I am stepping on something. And I check it, I can't find anything.
which foot?
Left,
So up in the ball of the foot or in the heel?
more on the MP joint area.
Up in here?
Yeah.
No, I don't see anything that looks like a corn or a callus or a foreign body or anything
Oh,
in
that's
here.
good.
Yeah. So, all right, so
As
we're
long as
set.
you checked it, that's fine.